Hi again, Sarah back for another around the world themed home heart art activity. We've got another noisemaker for you, a maraca. So here it is. So I'll show you how to make this one. You can make them make different noises depending on what you put inside, so that's quite good fun. So you are going to need, the body of your maraca is a plastic bottle. I've got a nice small one here, but you can do it any size you want. If you wanted to do a giant maraca, then go for it. So make sure it's nice and clean and it's got a lid. You'll need something to put inside the bottle to make the noise. So I've got here, this one has got rice inside, and I'm going to show you one that I'm going to put pasta inside, which is going to make a sort of a louder rattle. You will need a toilet roll tube because that is going to be the handle of your maraca. You'll need some scissors and some sellotape is going to secure the handle to the bottle, and then you can decorate it. So I am using some little coloured tapes here to decorate it, but you can do that however you want. Okay, so let's go for it. So first thing is take the lid off of your bottle, and like I said, I'm going to do one which has got pasta inside, so you want something that's going to fit easily into there. So I'm going to put a few pieces in. So you want some in there, but you don't want it so full that it can't move around, because you want to actually hear the rattle. So let's put a few in and we can test the sound of it. So let's put the lid on and then see what kind of sound it makes. That actually sounds really good. So depending on what you want to do, if you're not happy with the sound, put more in or take some out. So let's go with that because I think that sounds good. So we're going to make the handle now. So get your toilet roll tube and you're going to cut it along one side lengthways. Just going to turn it around like that. So you have got a tube there. So I've done that so that I can fit it perfectly to this bottle. So get it on there and then wrap around the excess and then get your tape. And you're going to secure it all down. So I'm going to start by just securing down the length of that toilet roll tube. There. So that alone won't hold it on. We're going to have to put some tape around the edge here as well. Okay, so just secure, put as much tape on as you think you need to keep it nice and secure. So that's me gone all the way around there. Let's give it a go. Yeah, that feels good. And that was so simple, wasn't it? So now what you can do is get your pens or whatever materials you've got. I've got these little glittery tapes, and you can then add on as much detail as you want. I've got some gold stripes here and some pink stripes there. And then you will have maracas to play with. Can you see how they sound really different? This is the rice one and this is the pasta one. Okay, have fun, make loads of noise, enjoy yourself. Bye, see you soon.